Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kenwood. I do speaker videos, sound videos, and also some adventure vlogs and other fun videos with my roommates. So if you like what you see, subscribe, because I got more videos coming out. Let's get started with today's video, which is stereo settings for country music. The best stereo settings to make country music sound the best. So before we get started, I just want to mention that I'm using a website called smarthomeowl.com, which talks about different stereo settings for certain types of music, and they actually have one of my videos linked kind of towards the bottom of the website, so I'll link it right in the description so you can check it out. But to get started, obviously you want to get into your sound settings, so you want to press the button here, hit audio control, and then you got your bass level, mid level, treble level, and all your EQ stuff. So we're only going to focus mostly on the bass, mid, and treble levels, because those are going to give you the biggest differences. So obviously for country music, you're going to want to boost the guitar and piano sounds as well as the artist's voice. And you might think that bass is not as important as the other settings with country music, but actually bass can bring out the slowness and sometimes the emotion of the song. So if you go to your bass level setting, you can set your bass level to +1 or 2 to get out a little bit more of that bass line. And then moving on, to bring out the piano and guitar sounds, you want to move your mids to +3, +2 or +3, because that'll really bring out the background sounds like the guitars and the piano sounds, which are really important in country music. So the treble level setting is not super important with country music, but to get kind of the higher pitch voices and the higher pitch background music to show up in the sound a little bit more, you can put this at +1 or just keep it at 0. So one more setting that you might be looking at for making your country music sound better is the loudness setting. The loudness setting is more for low volume listening. So if you have this on or level 1 or 2, then if you listen to your music at a low volume, you'll still be able to hear the bass that you would if you would have it turned up. So this could be very useful when it comes to country music. If you just want to sit and listen to your music and still get the full range of sound that should be coming out of your speakers, and turn your loudness setting to level 1 or level 2, and that should help with that. So there you have it. Those are the settings that I would recommend to make your country music sound as good as possible. So I made a bunch of these videos on how to make your car speakers sound better, so you can check that out in the playlist linked in the description or right up here, and I hope it helped you out. I'll see you guys very soon in the next one, and peace.